It's Wednesday the 20th of January, and it's my last evening here in Ascension Island. Got off to a good start today. I was up early for making some observations at about 7 this morning, and it's really great to be working then because the temperature's right down and it actually makes the job a lot easier as well as being more comfortable while you're doing it. And then I had a bit of a struggle through the morning because it appeared yesterday while I'd been working on our equipment that one of the batteries that we rely on had started to fail. And so I spent the morning trying to track down a battery. Went to a couple of different places on the island, found one, it wasn't quite what I needed, found another, and had to find some extra parts to go with it because the battery is slightly different to the one that we use. But anyway, did actually manage to do it, which was I was quite surprised at. I didn't think that the island would be able to supply something quite so unusual as the sort of battery that I wanted, so that was really great. And then this afternoon, after finally checking everything was all working okay, last checks that it's all going, packed up and said goodbye to the people here who've been so helpful. And then I had just a couple of hours spare, so I whizzed up the road to the old NASA base, which is right in one corner of the island and has been abandoned now, I don't know how many years, 20 years or so, but was built, I guess, in the 60s for tracking the Apollo missions and for subsequent NASA work, and was once a hive of activity. 80 people lived in this isolated little building right in one corner of the island. And then I had a quick walk up Green Mountain, which is just beautiful. Parts of it have grass and almost look like the downland in the south of England, but just above is jungle and just below is something like the surface of the moon because it's so barren. A fantastic track has been cut round a part of Green Mountain which was used by the Marines as an outlook, as a way of seeing what was coming across the Atlantic. And you walk round this track now and it smells like the smell you get when you go into the Botanic Gardens, into one of the hot houses. So, a good day, finished the work and a little bit of time to walk about, and then tomorrow it's off to the Falkland Islands and I'll speak to you from there.